Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser and welcome to In the Cut, where we just watch the laser do its thing. You learn a little bit about lasers and the materials that you can cut. Now, today we're doing some more Halloween stuff. It's almost Halloween. We've been saying that for a couple of weeks now, and we got 3 more weeks. We're going to show you a cool little project to do with paper on our hobby laser, our Muse hobby laser, and it's going to be a real quick cut. And yeah, let's check it out. Oh, so you guys can see the file right now, and you can see that it's just a very simple vector cut that we're doing on the paper, single color. I like to use red for vector cuts because if there is a raster involved or an engraving involved, I don't like to play with the black and white threshold too much, because you'll notice that the darker your vector colors are, the more they'll be picked up on your actual engraving file. Those are 2 different files, and in this case we don't even have an engraving portion, so we're just going to cut it and yeah. So this template design I'm actually going to include in the weekly project on our website. So if you want to check us out and check that weekly project out, it will have this basic template for a little paper lantern that you can scale to any size, manipulate any way you want. Remember, when cutting paper and similar fabrics, anything delicate really, you want to lower your current and power settings but especially that current that's going to give you a nice edge and reduce all the charring on the edge of your cut. What's great about the Muse, this laser, and our camera feature is that I can just place the piece of paper inside the machine, take a picture, and then just scale my file as big as I wanted to fit the max size work area. So guys, if you need extra, inspiration for paper lanterns and similar Halloween projects, check out Laser Talk that we did earlier this week. And tomorrow we'll have Inside the Laser Lab with Scott and I. So we'll have a cool project for the kids because it's all about the kids this week in Halloween. And then the rest of the weeks will be for us, the adults, to have fun. So this guy's almost done. I'm excited. Let me put this together real quick. That was so quick. So, as simple as this guy is, it's very cool. I actually enjoy it. I see a lot of laser cut stuff, and it's just very neat. I enjoy the lanterns. And again, these are free. This is a free template for you and your laser cutter. So make all the custom lanterns you want for, you know, 0.5 cents. And until next time, keep making, guys.
So go ahead. Hi everyone, like the videos? Subscribe to our channel. Think you like the videos? Keep watching, then subscribe to our channel.